Hello, I'm Walt from TightLinesAndPlasticBoats.com, and what I'd like to show you today is how to mount a no-drill Scotty Rocket Launcher on a Tarpon 120. Don't need hardly any tools. You need one Allen wrench to do the whole operation. Of course, you need a Scotty Rocket Launcher rod mount with the base, and then a Yak Attack a mighty mount for Scotty base. It comes with all the hardware you need to put it on. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. You'll have rocket launchers on your boat for trolling, and you won't have to drill a single hole in your boat. First thing we're going to do, you got the Scotty the Wilderness gear track on here, or slide tracks I think is what they call it. You want to go ahead and remove your hold downs. Just slide them off, set them off to the side, move your other one, set it off to the side. I've already mounted one of the Yak Attack mighty mounts on here to save time, but it's got, each side's got one nut and one bolt to put it on with, and it comes in two pieces, and you just bolt it directly to your Scotty base. The bottom of the mighty mount has a keyed place that your nuts fit into. You don't. It's a no wrench situation. You put your nuts in there. And just put your bolt through your Scotty mount. Take your Allen wrench, snug it up, put the other one in. This whole operation just takes a few minutes each side. We'll go ahead and tighten these up. Now you're going to take your track hold downs and go ahead and slide them in your track. Set your Scotty base over it. Comes with two knobs, two plastic knobs to tighten these up and make them adjustable on the fly. Alright, once you get those snugged down, go ahead and put your bungee cord retainers back in the track. Slide it up behind your Scotty mount, tighten it down. And the last one. And there you have it. A no-drill Scotty Rocket Launcher. And there you have it. Once again, TightLinesAndPlasticBoats.com. Check back often for more how-tos. Go out and catch a big one. Good day.